Hello, welcome to another tutorial. Let me bring this thing closer. All right, so we're going to be doing a Loveworld song, The Greatest Lord, and we're playing it in the key of E flat. So this is chord 1, chord 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1. If you don't understand anything I'm going to play, go into my playlist. I have 3 videos on E flat that you can learn from scratch so that you understand what the numbers I'm even mentioning are. All right, so the intro of the song goes on 4, 1, and 5. Then on the right, you play. So with the 4, 1, 5. So I'm going to play it slowly. Then the song starts on a 4. You surround me. 1, then 6, 5, then 4 to 6, then 5. Again. 4 to 1, 6, 5, 6 to 5. We're moving to chord 2. Maker of heaven and earth. That's 2 to 6. Then 4. God of all creation. 4, 5. Then you do a 2, 4, and then 5. Then mighty God. That's 4, 1. Then ruler of all the ages. That's 6, 5. And glorious Lord. 6. You are the great. That one. Let me see. You are the greatest. So you can move it 2 to 4. Yes, the greatest. So then 2 to 4. Then 6. Mighty, mighty God. All right, so if you don't know the song, type The Greatest Lord by Loveworld Singers and see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.